Bridging land and ocean, seabirds are vital to our world. They are top predators, engineers of their environments, and sentinels that warn of dangerous changes to their habitats. But marine birds are facing many challenges: habitat loss, invasive predators, and shrinking food sources threaten their future. To counteract these dangers, we need research like the studies our scientists are leading today. Where are they foraging, and what are they eating? Where are they breeding, and why? How are humans and climate change altering their habitats? And for so many of these incredible birds we study, how should we protect these species from those threats? Banks Peninsula is a rich home to tanga across the marine world, especially seabirds. The research we do here provides crucial insight, not just for conservation work in New Zealand. It advances work around the globe.